Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to add some extra cash to your wallet, you're in the right spot. Today, we're talking about how to get $200 from Chime, the popular online banking app that's making waves with its user-friendly features and bonuses. Now, before we dive in, I have to mention that these offers can change, so always double-check the latest details on Chime's website to make sure you're eligible. That said, let's get started. First things first, what is Chime? It's a fintech company that offers free checking and savings accounts with no hidden fees, and they often run promotions for new users. The $200 you're after is typically a sign-up bonus, but it usually comes with a few conditions, like setting up a direct deposit. Step 1. Sign up for a Chime account. Head over to the Chime website or download the app from your phone's app store. If you have a referral code from a friend, use it during sign-up. This can sometimes unlock the bonus faster. Make sure to provide all the necessary info, like your name, email, and social security number, as they'll need to verify your identity. Step 2. Once your account is set up, link your existing bank or employer for direct deposit. Chime often requires you to receive at least $200 or more via direct deposit to qualify for the bonus. This might take a paycheck or two, so be patient. Step 3. Meet any additional requirements. For example, you might need to make a certain number of purchases with their debit card or keep the account active. Once you've done that, Chime should deposit the $200 into your account within a few business days. A quick tip: always read the fine print. Bonuses like this are usually for new customers only and might not be available in all states. Plus, it's a great opportunity to start building better banking habits with Chime's tools, like automatic savings or early paycheck access. There you have it. That's how you can potentially score $200 from Chime. If you follow these steps, you could be enjoying that extra money in no time. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. See you next time.